Cheers. 1 week anniversary. We made it. We made the 1 week anniversary. Hip hip hooray for us.
Boo Boo's had to celebrate as well.
Yeah, well, I'll be putting a link on. Just bear with me. 1 moment. Oh. Yeah. So, what's it been like for you then? Has it been good for you?
Yeah, it's actually you know, it's been nice because we've been able to do stuff that we couldn't do back in Wordsworth. I mean, we didn't have a garden back in Wordsworth. We had just a bit of a yard and the wall was so high around it you couldn't really dry washing very well and stuff like that. So
I mean, that's one thing anyway.
Yeah, but I mean, being able to sit outside as we are now with the fire pit, eating a tea.
Just have a look at this. Just bear with us. Sorry about moving the camera. Look at this. No, not me. No, not Carol. Fire. And look at that. This is our view. There's been a lot of frustrations. Things getting used to the reduced space, especially in bed.
Yeah.
Especially in bed.
Even though the bed is probably just a few centimetres smaller than the one we had before, it just seems like feet smaller. I think the Hetty's been getting better sleep at night than we have. But
yeah, it's just reacclimatising ourselves. But my biggest problem in bed is not long enough. The bed is slightly concertinaed up, only very slightly, and that one inch, maybe even 2, is enough. Because I'm just a little bit taller than you. That if I stretch out, top of my head is at one end of the van, squashed up, and my feet are all squashed up.
And in my case, my head's at one end of the van and my feet are right next to, near Hetty really, because she tends to like the bottom of my feet. So I've got warm feet, but I'm all scrunched up.
Yeah, water is another thing as well, because I think you take water for granted, don't you?
Yeah, don't realise how much you use.
But the point is that we're actually, surprisingly, when you live at home, you don't actually realise how much water you do actually use. And I think with given time, our water usage will get a lot better. I mean, I couldn't believe it. I filled the water up this morning, 20 litres of water into 3 containers. And this afternoon when I got back, I thought, blooming heck, where did 10 litres go?
Carol's used it all, washing trousers, washing her pants, washing her pants. And I'm sure people are very interested in how much water Carol uses to wash her pants with.
Yeah, so this whole thing about water usage, you know, animals using it to water, and people should go vegan, vegetarian. No, I think just people should
stop washing your pants.
No, I think the human population should stop reproducing. It's as simple as that. The water shortage will end. I'm just saying, hashtag. First week, off topic. First week. Things to take from the first week.
Yeah. Well, yes, we should be a bit more mindful of how much water we're using. Of course we can, because we have the opportunity to use the fire pit. We've got loads of wood about. That would, cooking a tea tonight is obviously saved on gas as well.
It's been excellent. I'll be showing a couple of pictures of the tea that we had tonight. It was a couple of loin steaks, with some sweet corn on the cob, sweet corn dip, nice lovely salad. And roast peppers, roast mushroom.
And a big mushroom, yeah.
And it was really nice, wasn't it?
Yeah, just barbecue for two on the fire pit. You know, it's been lovely. Really tasty, saved on gas. What else? Cause the campsite's quite busy at the moment, isn't it? Especially at the weekends, so we do.
I've not had a shower yet.
I haven't had one.
I've had a strip wash. I managed to get the flannel around everywhere that it should, that needs a wash at least. Anyway, I'll censor that one for you.
Yeah.
As a friend said to me, he said, "You're welcome to come round for a shower, Mick, if you're watching. Thank you. You're welcome to come round for a shower." I said, "Oh, brilliant. I'll jump in and I'll give me nuts a scratch then, shall I?"
Oh dear.
I don't know what nuts you're thinking of. You got dirty minds, you really have. The sky is absolutely glorious tonight, and we're hoping a little bit later on we'll see the stars again, just like we did the first night out.
Pick 'em up and show them.
I can't show them now.
Pick 'em up and show the sky.
I already have done.
Oh.
I already have done. I did the little scan round.
Let's have another scan round.
Carol wants to do. She wants to be the director.
Oh, not that way. Here we go. We've got a pink sky. That's a little flag over there. Pink sky at night. Turkish delight. And there's Keith. There's Keith.
Yeah, so anyway, guys, those of you will probably spot us from the road. We're very visible from a main road, close to Ashbourne. We're not going to let out their location just yet, but if you see the Yorkshire flag flying up high, God's own county, with a windsock, I'm in. I'm home, and you're more than welcome to pop in for a cuppa. I don't drink coffee. I've given coffee up, but you're welcome to have a cup of tea, and you're welcome to bring your own coffee, and you're welcome to a green tea. I drink green tea now and herbal teas. Just come in and say hello if you spot us.
Yeah, it's only joking.
If you see our van from the main road, you'll recognise it over time. You'll recognise it as the Wolves van. Yeah, it's a Wolves Lair on wheels. Yeah, we're going to be changing our name as well, because we're called Two Wolves Projects at the moment, and projects seems to be a false information, really. Projects kind of tells you that we're doing lots of things, and we're not. We're just a pair of lazy bums, really. Well, we're not really. Everybody has known us ever since we went out on the festivals as Keith Two Wolves and Carol Two Wolves. So we will change our name just to Two Wolves. So from now on, we're not Two Wolves Projects, we're Two Wolves. People want to know when your Reiki is going to happen.
It won't be Reiki on the YouTube.
Well,
we'll do a relaxation.
We could do a live Reiki session. Not a live Reiki session, but we could video a Reiki session. If you want to hear me farting and snoring. That's exactly what I do. It sends me into. I can't stress to you just how relaxing it is. It is amazing. If you've never had a Reiki session, I urge you to go find a good Reiki practitioner and have a session.
Obviously not me, because I'm not very good, apparently.
No, you might not be anywhere near here, but if you see the Yorkshire flag, come in and demand a Reiki session. Say, I want a Reiki session, Carol. Get your table out. It's alright, we'll stick you on the slab. So anyway, come on, when's it going to happen?
Yes, I'll get something recorded very soon. Yeah.
Very soon isn't good enough. So what are your thoughts? What are you thinking? You know, to give people sort of like an idea of what's going on. What do you think is going to happen in it?
Well, what I probably will do is talk people into relaxing.
Handing over all their cash? Great idea. No, sorry, only joking.
Like relaxing muscles, group,
Does
groups
Keith
like
deserve a slap? Don't slap me. Just because you've had a beer, don't get leery now. Go on.
Right.
You do a very good job of ignoring me, usually.
Talking people through relaxing muscles, like relaxing muscle groups, to release tension and aches and pains in the body, or aches and pains caused by tension in the body.
So the stresses and strains of life that you will be experiencing, and we all do, in different variants and styles. But what Carol does with her guided relaxation therapy, and it's going to be incredibly beneficial. So please don't watch when this happens. A disclaimer: do not watch this while operating heavy machinery or driving. That's a no-no. Well, you shouldn't be watching it if you're driving anyway. You might crash. And if you've got your pneumatic drill going, you might just go through something you weren't expecting to.
But you won't be doing muscle relaxations while you're operating a pneumatic drill anyway. Anyway.
You'll feel very, very relaxed, very at ease with yourself, and you'll be hankering for more.
Yes, generally. And also talking people through breathing exercises that can help to calm the breath, because when you feel quite stressed out and tense, we tend to breathe quickly and shallow. So to kind of counteract the feeling of stress, to breathe more deeply and slowly into the belly, it's more cleansing, and it helps to relax muscles, any muscle tension in the body as
essentially
well.
You'll be oxygenating your blood, therefore oxygen will be getting around all your muscles, which are probably craving for it, to be honest with you, and being incredibly beneficial. Really, really will. I can't recommend it enough, really. Carol practiced this at Deershed Festival 2 years ago to rave reviews, absolute rave reviews, so much so that they wanted her back for the second year, but said don't bring your ethnic gear with you, because we don't want that shit, we just want you. So Carol's the star of the show. I'm just here for show. Eye candy, that's what I am.
Yeah. He said he's washed his hair today, so he's got luscious hair. Lustrous hair. Lustrous hair.
Yeah, don't you think so?
Look at his lustrous hair, because he's washed it today.
Yeah. I stuck it in the bowl and gave it a bit, shampoo, washed it off. And I didn't use 10 litres of water for that. It wasn't my hair washing.
Yeah. Anyway, I think we have friends coming around the corner right now to come and join us with our evening.
Hey!
Yes,
so, on that note, we're going to call it a night. See you later.